Many beginners hear words like leverage and margin, but they don't actually understand what margin means. Margin is the amount of money your broker set aside to keep your trade open. Think of margin like locked money. When you open a trade, the broker temporarily set aside part of your account balance to keep that trade running. You cannot use that locked money to open other trades while the trade is still active. For example, imagine you have $100 in your trading account. When you open a trade, the broker may hold $20 from your account to keep that trade running. While the trade is still open, you cannot fully use that $20 for other trades. So instead of having full $100 available, you now have less money left to use for other trades. The more trades you open or the bigger your trade becomes, the more margin get locked. If you are using too much margin and the market moves against you, your account can get into danger very quickly. Margin works together with leverage. Leverage allows you to open bigger trades with smaller money, and margin is the amount needed to maintain those trades. Now, let's make this simple. Imagine you have a small trading account. If you open a very large trade, a bigger part of your money becomes locked as margin. If you continue to open more trades or rating too much, your available margin becomes smaller and smaller. Now, this is where many beginners get into trouble. When the market moves against them, their accounts start losing money, and if their margin becomes too low, the broker may automatically close their trades. This is called a margin call or stop out. This is one of the biggest reasons many beginners lose accounts, not because the market is evil, but because they are risking too much money. Professional traders understand this very well. They don't just focus on profits, they focus on protecting their accounts and managing risk properly. Because in trading, survival is more important than fast profits. A trader who protects their account can always trade another day, but a trader who loses everything must start all over again. As a beginner, your goal should not be getting rich quickly. Your first goal should be learning, surviving, and protecting your money. Follow to learn Forex step by step.